Good morning, students. Today I am going to solve exercise 4.1. Evaluate the determinants. Say first one. Here the value of this determinant is the product of the diagonal elements 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 into 4, that is minus 20. This is equals to minus 2 minus into minus plus 20. This is equals to minus 2 plus 20, that is a plus 18. This is the value of this determinant. Similarly, second one, first one, main second, first one, that is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. This is equals to product of the diagonal elements, that is cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, minus sin theta into minus theta, minus sin square theta. This equals to cos square theta minus into minus plus sin square theta. This is equals to 1 because we know that the identity is a cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1. This is the standard identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Third one. second one, x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. This is the determinant. So here x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into x minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1. Here x square into x cube, x square into plus 1 x square, minus x into plus x minus x square, minus x into plus 1 minus x, plus 1 into x plus x plus 1 into plus 1 plus 1. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square minus x square minus 1 square, nothing but x square minus 1 plus x square minus x plus x, x cube, that is plus 1 minus x square minus into minus plus, that is nothing but x cube minus x square plus 1 plus 2. This is the result. This is the answer of this determinant. Now third one. So if a is equals to 1 2 4 2, then so that determinant of 2a is equals to 4 into determinant of a. First find a, determinant of a. So when the matrix is given, you have to write the determinant of that matrix. Convert this matrix into determinant, that is 1 2 4 2. Here the determinant, the elements are lie between two parallel lines, but in matrix the elements are enclosed by the square brackets. Okay, like this. So when the matrix is given, you have to convert that matrix into determinant, like this, determinant of a. When given matrix A, you have to convert determinant of A, means you have to remove the square brackets and write the parallel lines. Between that, the numbers are exist. Okay. Now the value of this is 1 into 2, 2, minus 4 into 2, 8. That is minus 6. Minus 6, quality question number 1. Similarly, find 2a. 2 into a is 1 2 4 2. That is equals to multiply the constant with all the elements in the matrix. 2 into 1 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. This is 2a is equals to 2 4 8 4. Then determinant of 2a, determinant of a 2a is equals to 2484. The value of this is 2 4s are 8 minus 8 4s are 32. This is equals to minus 24. Therefore, determinant of 2a is equals to minus 24. Call it equation number 2. Now, the value of 4 into determinant of a is equals to 4 into determinant of a. Determinant of a is minus 6. That is value of determinant of a is minus 6. That is minus 6. 4 into minus 6 minus 24. Call it equation number 3. From 2 and 3, 4 into determinant of a. This is the value of 4 determinant. From 2 and 3, we get determinant of 2a is equals to 4 into determinant of a. This is the proof. Now, similarly, we can solve another example. That is fifth one. So, fourth question is homework for you. Homework I will give you later. Evaluate the determinants. Evaluate the determinants. First one, that is 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 and 3 minus 5 0. Find the value of this determinant. So I am going to, so please remember the sign convention, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. This is the sign convention. Please remember this. So this is R1, R2 and R3. So I am going to expand along R1. Expand along R1. So that here 3, here the sign convention is plus 3. Now, so delete all the elements in rows and columns in which 3 exist here. After deleting these, 0, minus 1, minus 5, 0, minus 5, 0. Here minus, the element is minus 1. That is minus of minus 1. Here the sign is minus, element is minus 1. So minus of minus 1. Now, delete all the elements in rows and columns in which minus 1 exists here. First row, second column. After that, deleting the terms 0, minus 1, 3, 0, 0, minus 1, 3, 0. These are the remaining elements. Now, here the sign is plus. When you expanding along R1, follow these signs. So here the plus, here the element is minus 2, plus of minus 2. Now delete all the elements in rows and columns in which minus 2 exists. Here minus 2 belongs to first row, third column. Delete all the elements in rows and columns. You get 0, 0, 3 minus 5. 0, 0, 3 minus 5. Simplify this one. 3 into bracket, 0 into 0, 0. So minus 5 into minus 1, plus 5. Minus into minus, plus 1. Minus into minus, plus 1. 0 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3. Plus into minus, minus 2 into bracket, 0 into minus 5, 0. 3 into 0, 0. Minus 0. So 3 into minus 5, minus 15. 3 into minus 5, minus 15. That is minus into minus plus 3. 1 into plus 3, plus 3. This is a 0. This is 0. So minus 15 plus 3. Minus 15 plus 3. Minus 12. So when you expand along R1 of this determinant, you get the value minus 12. So now I am going to tell you one more important thing is, if you expand along any row or any column, you get the same result. That is a minus 12. Okay. If you expand any row or any column you get the same result. So now I am here going to expand along C1 or C3. I am going to expand along the C3. Expand along C3. Expand along C3. Okay, C3. So here the C3 is plus here. C3 plus, that is plus, the element is minus 2. Minus 2. Delete all the elements in which rows and columns in which minus 2 exists. First row, third column. That is 0, 0, 3 minus 5. 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 3 minus 5. Now, your sign is minus, minus. The element is minus 1. That is minus of minus 1. Now, delete all the elements in rows and columns in which minus 1 exists. See here. Second row, third column. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 5. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 5. Now, the sign is plus because you are expanding along C3. It is plus. In place of here, the 0. 0. So delete all the elements in rows and columns in which 0 exists. See here. 3 minus 1, 0, 0. 3 minus 1, 0, 0. Now, minus 2 into bracket, 0 into minus 5, 0. 3 into 0, 0. Minus into minus plus 1 into bracket, 3 into minus 5, minus 15. 3 minus of 3 minus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 0 into anything, 0. That is minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into bracket minus 15 plus 3 plus 0. That is minus 2 into 0, 0 plus minus 15 plus 3, that is a minus 12. The answer is minus 12. So when you expanded along R1, you get value is minus 12. When we expanded the same determinant along C3, you get the same result. Similarly, we expand along the R2, R3, or C1, C2, you get the same result. And one more important thing is, you have to expand along the, for easier calculation, you should expand the given determinant along the row or column in which the maximum number of 0 are exist. Here in this determinant, in second row, the maximum number of 0 are exist. There are 2 0 here, but in third row or in third column, there are 1 0. But in which row or column maximum of 0 exist? Here in second row. In second row, the maximum number of 0 exist. Hence, you have to expand along the R2 for the easier calculation, because if there are maximum number of 0 are there exist in the given row or column, you can easily find the value. So expand along R2. Expand along R2. Expand along R2. Expand along R2. The sign is R2, that is R2 minus minus. The element is 0. So delete all the elements in which 0 exists. Delete all the elements in rows and columns in which 0 exists. See here, after deleting these elements, you get minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, 0. Minus 5, 0. And now the sign is plus here. Plus, write the plus. The element is here also 0. That is 0. That is also 0. Expand or delete all the elements in which 0 exist. The second row and second column, 3 minus 2, 3, 0. 3 minus 2, 3, 0. And the sign is minus here. Second row, minus. Write the minus. The element is here minus 1. That is element is minus 1. The remaining terms elements after deleting the elements along the rows and columns minus 1 along in which minus 1 exists. That is after deleting these you get 3 minus 1 3 minus 5, 3 minus 1 3 minus 5. You get, if you multiply with 0, anything would multiply with 0, you get a 0. Here also 0. Here minus 1 minus into minus plus 1, that is 3 into minus 5 minus 15 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Okay, now 0 0 minus 15 minus into minus plus 3, that is a minus 12. So here also the result is same. Here also minus 12, here also minus 12. In all the three cases you get the same result. So that you have to expand along the row or column in which maximum number of zeros are exist. Thank you.